forgive my accusers, Sadiya Umar Farouk said. Sadiya Umar Farouk, Minister of Humanitarian Affairs. Minister of Humanitarian Affairs, Disaster Management and Social Development, Hajia Sadiya Umar Farouk, said she has forgiven those who accused her of hiding COVID-19 palliative meant for the poor. She stated this while fielding questions from journalists in Gusau on Monday in Gusau. I am aware many people have made various spurious allegations and accusations against my person and my ministry over the way we distributed federal government palliatives to cushion the effects of COVID-19. I have also said I am carrying out my duties and responsibilities to the best of my ability and with fairness to all parts of the country. Now that they have realized their mistakes, I will only pray to God to forgive us all, she maintained. The minister had earlier paid homage to the Emir of Gusau, Alhaji Ibrahim Bello, where the monarch appealed to the federal government to take a second look at the security situation in the state. The federal government should support the state in opening more access roads to expose the hideout of criminal elements and give security operatives easier access to counter all terrorists. We should also be considered for more federal appointments because currently we only have one federal permanent secretary. I want to assure you that we will continue to support all federal government programs geared toward improving the well-being of the people, the Emir said. Thank you for listening to this news. There is nothing, you don't even need to forgive anybody because you are the one that offended the people. You are the one that offended the people because you can see the kind of lies you were feeding, you were feeding the international country, telling them all sort of lies concerning the palliatives that so place has been given so quantity and so number of palliatives, whereas nothing was actually given to these people, whereas these palliatives were locked up inside the warehouse of different states. So forget, no one is telling you to please forgive them. What the people said about you is the truth. Instead, you're the one that offended these people by telling all sorts of lies during the period of COVID-19. Can you remember or recap all the things you said? You did not only lie about the palliatives, you also lied about the funds, about the money released by these international countries to Nigeria. Now, if they are still, if they still want to ask you, this money released by international organizations and international countries to Nigerian government concerning this COVID-19 issue, those money, where are those money? How many states were given this money? And what measures did you apply in disbursing this money? Because the same way these palliatives were discovered is the same way this money will still be discovered, because it shows that since these palliatives are discovered to be in the warehouse, the money given to Nigerians is possible that the money is still in the accounts. It's still very possible, because I didn't see any disbursements at all. They only keep hearing it from your mouth that so amount of money was disbursed to so state, to so community, and all of that, whereas nothing was actually disbursed. You are actually used as a tool to tell lies so that the international country will believe that what they actually sent to these people is properly used. How bad? See, madam, I'm telling you the truth. Nobody is asking you to forgive them. They don't even need your forgiveness because you are the one that offended them. Do you understand? You are the offender here. You are the offender. You are the one that offended the people. So you should understand that fact and let it remain with you. Let it remain with you down there because you offended the people. You know what you did. You know what you did, and you are trying to show remorse, but cunningly. You are showing the remorsefulness cunningly. Trying to take the accusation off your head, whereas it is true. It is true of what you did. It's true of what you did. So why are you trying to cover up? What are you covering up for? For what reason? You know your offense. I know the number of abuses you used on the people. You insulted the people, you insulted the Southerners, you insulted the South, you called them all kind of names. I remember vividly when the President Muhammadu Buhari collected one loan from Chinese, and when he started doing the allocation of this fund to different states, I remember the name you called the Easterners. You called them, you told them that nothing, no penny will be given to them since they have chosen to support the IPOB, the Biafran Republic. It's the same you use all these statements on them, and you're now coming out to say you forgive. What are you forgiving for? Did they offend you? You are the one that offended them. They are the one to think if to forgive you or not. Have you forgotten? Now you are trying to show remorse, but you are showing it in a very corny way. See, all of you that suffered Nigerians during the period of COVID-19, you will all die a painful death. I'm telling you, see the kind of curses you all are receiving in the whole world. See the kind of heavy curse Tinubu was given. A curse that even his own parents can never condone. Because of the atrocity he committed. That's why they are giving him all these curses. You all will keep receiving curses. And you are a mother. You are a mother. And you know all of these things and you kept it to yourself. God will judge you. God will judge you. God will judge you. Because you're a minister, you start using all kind of words, all kind of abusive words on the people, and you think you everything will be okay for you. Because see Allah, God is watching. God is watching. Yes. You keep up with the evil things you are doing. I tell you that God is watching. You all get the reward. See the heap of palliatives in warehouses. It is well. My viewers, what are your takes on this news? Please deem it fit to leave your comments below the comment box. Click on the subscription button as well as the bell button to get updated whenever we upload any new videos. Thank you.